Okay, this is just a quick tutorial on Picassa navigation and file management of your pictures. When you first run Picassa, it's going to scan your computer for all the images. By default, it's going to sort it in this flat folder structure, which is going to be by date, is how it'll do it. By date is what it should look like here. But you can sort it by recent changes, and you'll notice here when I do the sort by recent changes, it actually gives me the date. Updated January 2012, updated January or October 2011, all the way to present, which this was updated today, 2012, September 18th, September 11th, 2012, September 13th, 2012, April 12th, 2012. Okay. Once everything's been imported, I'm going to switch this back to sort by date. You can move things around and rename things, and it'll remember it. So if I want to, for instance, rename this test folder to something else, go over here and edit folder description, and I'm going to put in here my test. Click OK. Now on my computer, this is actually called, I believe, my test now. It changed it actually on my computer. It was test, now it's my test. So when you name it in Picassa or rename it, it is going to rename it on the computer as well. The other thing I can do with this is, by default, it's going to put all your folders in the folders category, but I can right click on this and I can move this collection to, say, projects, and that'll stay in the projects area. I can also come in here and move this collection to a new collection. I want to create a new collection in Picassa, so I can put in here family photos. Click OK. It's going to create family photos and put that selected folder in there. And from that point on, I can actually go in here and move other things to family photos. And now whenever I go to a website or plug my camera in to add a new picture into that My Test folder, let's say, let's just save image as, we're going to put that in the My Test folder. It's got 3 images now showing in My Test. I'm going to add a 4th. Notice it pops out a little pop-up telling it's been updated, and there's my 4th photo. Okay? And so that concludes a little bit on sorting and moving files within Picassa.